Hi customers, we're really excited to be the first in the world, as usual, to release a cradle for a new device. And today it's the Panasonic T1, which is the latest flagship handheld from Panasonic, which has just been released into the market. And it works like this. We put it down onto our pogo pins and she's charging. Now, Strike has heaps of different variants available for this. If you'd like, you can have one with an external antenna connection like this. There's a passive antenna inside our cradle. You need to connect that to a Strike external antenna to get a good result for mission critical coverage. Our power is up to 3 amps in our power pack, and that has voltage spike protection. We've also got variants that include locks on the top as well. And if you don't want the power, we can also make variants of that as well. Just contact your sales rep or Panasonic at strike.com.au, and one of our sales reps will look after you. We're really happy with this device. It fits nicely and they're available right now. Thank you.